Here's how to create your seller account step by step. First, go to Etsy.com, scroll to the bottom, and click Sell on Etsy. Then click Open your Etsy shop and create your account using your email, name, and password. Confirm your email to continue. Next, set your shop preferences. Choose your shop language, country, and currency, then save and continue. Now, name your shop. Your shop name must be unique, between 4 and 20 characters, with no spaces or special symbols. After that, create your first product listing. Add photos or a video, write a clear title and description, set your price and quantity, and choose whether your product is physical or digital. Remember, Etsy charges 20 cents per listing. Then, enter your personal and bank details so Etsy can send you your payments. Next, add a credit or debit card for Etsy fees and click Open your shop. Finally, verify your bank account by confirming a small test deposit from Etsy. Once you're done, access your shop manager to manage listings, orders, messages, and track your sales. And that's it. Your Etsy shop is officially live.